if 2024 was your most expensive year on record, like it was for us as a family, not through extravagance or anything like that, but purely surviving the insane levels of inflation that have been inflicted upon us purely by design, then I want to help you make 2025 your year of abundance. Now, what I'm proposing to do is give you access to something that I normally only reserve for my private trust clients, and that is something called the Income Tax Immunity Declaration. And basically what this does is tell the IRS to fuck off forever. So you don't realize how lucky you are as US citizens, because this doesn't work anywhere else in the world, because we don't have that legacy of the US Constitution to lean back on, because this declaration basically relies on that and decades old legal frameworks to make sure that you tell them to go do one once and forever. So we all know that tax is just pure theft, right? It's a voluntary system, and they rely on us volunteering ourselves into that system every year by filing a tax return. So what if I gave you a really, really powerful document that you just need to file one time, and then it basically means you never, ever have to file taxes again? Just imagine what you could do with that money, that extra 30% or more every year that you're no longer having to pay into a corrupt and broken system that doesn't serve you and just funds endless wars and corruption. Then you can put that money to really good use, whether it's something like a humanitarian project or just going on an amazing holiday to bond with your family or your partner or whoever, okay? There's so many better things you could be doing with that money than funding these corrupt motherfuckers, yeah? So if you want to get started with this process, click the button below. And like I said, I'm only going to make this available for 1 week, because I exclusively make this available to my private trust clients. But because of how unbelievably tough last year was, I really feel like I want to give everyone a leg up to get 2025 started off on the right foot. So if this sounds like something that's too good to be true to you, or you're too afraid to do it, then this isn't for you. But if it resonates with you and you have faith in the robustness of this amazing document that hundreds, if not thousands of others have used before with a 100% success rate, no backlash, no audits or anything like that, you simply file it, send it off registered mail, and get it notarized before you send it off. And that's it. If any IRS agent ever comes crawling out of the woodwork and questioning why you've not submitted a tax return, then you just send them a copy of this documentation, and guess what? They just disappear back into the hole from which they came. So if you want to get started with this, click the button below, and I can't wait to get this process for you.